Tinnitus relief exercises can help reduce the perception of tinnitus, especially when it is related to stress and anxiety. While there is no guaranteed fast relief, regular practice of these exercises may provide some comfort and relaxation. Here are 6 tips for tinnitus relief exercises. 1. Progressive muscle relaxation, PMR. PMR involves tensing and relaxing different muscle groups to alleviate tension and stress. This exercise can help reduce anxiety, which can worsen tinnitus. 2. Yoga and deep breathing. Engaging in gentle yoga and deep breathing exercises can promote relaxation and stress reduction. Breathing exercises in particular can help calm your nervous system. 3. Mindfulness meditation. Practicing mindfulness meditation can help you become more aware of the present moment and reduce the focus on your tinnitus. It can be effective for managing stress and anxiety. 4. Neck and shoulder stretches. Simple neck and shoulder stretches can help release muscle tension that may contribute to tinnitus. Gently stretching these areas can provide some relief. 5. Aerobic exercise. Regular low-impact aerobic exercises like walking or swimming can promote overall health, improve circulation, and reduce stress, indirectly helping with tinnitus management. 6. Listening to relaxing sounds. While not a physical exercise, listening to calming sounds like nature sounds or gentle music can mask tinnitus and create a more relaxing auditory environment. It's important to note that the effectiveness of these exercises may vary from person to person. Tinnitus is a complex condition with various underlying causes, and these exercises primarily target stress reduction and relaxation. For more guidance on managing your specific tinnitus symptoms, please visit our website below. Thank you.